What's up, YouTube CanFM? I haven't been online real quick. I'm usually more active on X. Definitely check out my X first pinned profile post. This is basically where I dump all the evidence from February 14th of 2023 until now, and how the judiciary, prosecution, and other institutions of this country basically have operated and acted against us, and therefore basically violated our rights, or still violating our rights for more than 2 years right now at this point. But what I want to share today is basically the ongoing family court case, where I basically got kicked out for storing my medicine and consuming my medicine on the balcony here at home in 2023. September of 2023, I was basically separated from my American child for my cannabis medicine. I'm a chronic pain patient since 2017, but treated like an addict. And the fact that I'm a cannabis patient is basically something that is known by the courts, by the judiciary over here, pretty much ever since, because I submitted the documents. And the latest, where this Judge Bergmann that kicked me out for storing cannabis here at home and rendering me a danger because of that, was basically in June of 2024 last year, after I basically had that psychological assessment at the Vivantes Klinikum in Humboldt, where the S. Kruger then basically issued a false report, which the prosecution had April 30th already for some reason, where the actual report was written the 27th of May, and then basically from then on, I contested that, I sent all the documents to this Judge Bergmann, basically saying, this report is false and you're forgetting the fact that I'm a patient, so here are my documents as well below. And despite knowing that, she basically then decided to order a family psychological assessment, how my drug consumption, this is how she framed it, has negatively affected the development of my child, and how it's potentially going to affect, the development of my child in the future. So for my medicine, so labeled drug consumption. And then in the latest, she basically, with that fucking family psychological assessment, basically said then my massive consumption of cannabis. And I contested basically, my daughter being harassed and examined, and then she considered overriding my decision to not have my daughter examined. And like she basically said, she did that as well, basically, with the documents that you can see down here that I put in here as overlay. So that's the story. Life update over. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.